The world of 2026 moves too fast for manual work. While most people are still asking ChatGPT to write emails, a small group of high performers is using a hidden layer of AI to automate their entire lives. They aren't working harder. They've just found the blueprint. Today, I'm opening the vault. These are the 7 AI tools that feel illegal to know, and they will put you years ahead of the competition. Base 44, the Vibe Coder. First up, Base 44. In 2025, coding became a conversation. Base 44 allows you to build full-stack applications just by describing them. No syntax, no bugs. If you can think it, you can build it. It's the ultimate unfair advantage for entrepreneurs. Zapier Central. Meet your new AI workforce. Zapier Central lets you create AI agents that live across 6,000 apps. They don't just suggest, they act. They can research leads, update your CRM, and handle customer support while you sleep. Gamma. Stop wasting hours on PowerPoint. Gamma builds entire presentations, websites, and briefs in under 60 seconds. You provide the topic. It provides the professional design and the copy. It's like having a full-time design agency in your pocket. ElevenLabs. Voice cloning. Audio quality is the new barrier to entry. ElevenLabs allows you to create studio-grade voiceovers with zero equipment. In 2026, their new emotional depth update makes AI voices indistinguishable from humans. It's how this video was made. Perplexity. AI. Google is dead. Long live Perplexity. This is a real-time research engine that cites every source. It doesn't give you a list of links. It gives you the answer, formatted and verified. It's the closest thing we have to a second brain. Fireflies.ai. Imagine never taking notes again. Fireflies joins your meetings, transcribes everything, and extracts action items automatically. It integrates with your calendar and remembers details you forgot months ago. Gemini 1.5 Pro. The heavy hitter. With its massive 2 million token context window, you can upload 10 entire books or an hour of video and ask it questions. It's not just a chatbot, it's an expert that has read everything you own. 2026 isn't the year of AI, it's the year of the AI augmented human. The tools are here. The question is, will you use them or will you be replaced by someone who does? All links are in the description. If you want the blueprint to stay ahead, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the lab.